Hey everyone, CPO here, and in this video we're going to be making a HelloFresh dinner. So my wife signed up for these dinners. We get 3 a week, and this will be our 4th dinner. And we liked them so much that we decided to just keep doing it. And this time I just thought I would show a video of how it works, how this process works if you've never done a HelloFresh meal before. So these things show up, a courier brings them in a box that has ice packs and everything, and you get a bag and a protein for whatever meal. This meal that we're doing today is Saucy ginger meatballs. So it comes with a bag labeled as such with all of the fresh ingredients that we need for that, and then a little pack of ground beef, because ground beef is the protein for this particular meal. It shows you a picture of what it's supposed to look like when you're done, and then it has the instructions. So every meal we get has one of these cards, and so far they've been really easy to follow. So we're gonna follow the prep instructions and the cooking instructions, and yeah, let's make some saucy ginger meatballs with bulgogi sauce, roasted carrots, and sriracha crema. All right, so first we're gonna look at the prep instructions, and we've had lots of carrot dishes. So first of all, it says preheat oven to 425, wash and dry all produce. So let me show you what comes in this bag here. All right, so we have carrots, scallions, a thumb of ginger. If you ever wondered what a thumb of ginger looked like, there you go. Jasmine rice. This is the sweet Korean barbecue bulgogi sauce. Panko breadcrumbs, sesame seeds, a little bit of sriracha. I don't know why I like saying sriracha like that. And sour cream. So in the bag is everything we need to make this meal. And we just follow the instructions. Ginger, white scallions, green scallions. All right, so that is it. That is our meal creation, the masterpiece. So we have a meal for two, which, yeah, I mean, I'm not a cook, so I find it sort of fun to go through these steps, and the instructions are pretty easy. I screw up from time to time, like I think here I was supposed to mince the whites from the scallions, but I didn't mince them, I forgot. So, hey, the meatballs just have unminced whites, and I think it'll be just fine. So, anyway guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.